Hello and welcome to this first video of the free SEO tools. In this video, I will show you how to use Answer the Public SEO tools. This tool is free, with lots of advanced features. This is one of the best free SEO tools. Save your time and energy, as well you can save your money. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Watch till the end, like the video, and share with friends. Let's get started. First, visit Answer the Public website. Type the URL answerthepublic.com. This is the beautiful interface where you can see the person saying hello. Basically, there is a video playing in the background. You can pause that video if you want. In the top bar, you can see the menu. Let's click on the Upgrade to Pro button. So, the first thing to remember is they provide free searches, over 500k a month, where you can trial run and swipe a few content ideas on us, but you're limited based on our traffic. I would suggest, first use the free version of Answer the Public, and in case if you want more traffic, more search, and most importantly, if this platform gives you benefits, then upgrade to Pro. Otherwise, you can use the free version also. If you want to upgrade the Pro version, you can. The affiliate link in the description. If you wish to upgrade this, please do this from my affiliate link, so that I will get a commission. Thank you. Want to become financially free as a teen? I have written an article about digital marketing. There are many free ebooks that will help you. I will put the link in the I button as well in the description. A must-check ebooks. Let's come back to the home page. You can learn more about Answer the Public. That's not our focus, so I will skip the part. You see, discover what people are asking about. Here you need to type your main keyword, but first select your country. In our case we select India. If you want USA traffic, you can select the USA from the drop-down list. Let's suppose our main keyword is digital marketing, so we type digital marketing here and click on the search button. The first section is about questions. This tool will help you to improve your articles also. You can save the image also. Just click on Save the Image. After that, the system will generate a file so that you can download it. Just click on the download button and the image will save on your PC or mobile. You can pick plenty of questions from this section. Just pick any question and try to answer that question. If you select 5 to 6 questions on a single topic, you can create a decent blog page. If you don't want visualization mode, click on the Data tab near the visualization. The second section is about prepositions. This section will give you an advanced search result. There are 55 search results. You can pick any of them in your article or even in your titles, headings, and subheadings. Check the top 6 computer tricks that will save your time. Like in the I button. The third section is about comparisons. This is also the best part of this tool. People often search digital marketing versus online marketing, digital marketing versus social media marketing, digital marketing, and SEO. You can pick any topic from here, and make a single article on that topic. You can write multiple articles. This tool will give you many ideas to write an article, SEO, etc. The last section is alphabetical order. If you don't like the visualization mode, if you don't like data mode, no problem, come directly to the bottom of the page. You will everything in alphabetical order, from A to Z. They cover each and everything in alphabetical order. One disadvantage of the last section is, if you compare all of the 3 sections with the last section, you will notice, the above section has good management of content. They select one topic and make a basket and put them in one place. Similarly, every section is well designed. You can easily pick one thing and do whatever you want to do, but in the last section you may need to find what you are looking for because everything is placed in a single place. Talking about pros. There is a huge collection of data, which is well designed, put in a section wise. You can use the questions section to write articles. Basically, you can get the ideas of your blog articles as well as SEO. You can save the images, so you will not be required to check the same thing again and again. This thing makes Answer the Public unique and better with other free SEO tools. Talking about the cons. The one and only cons of all free SEO tools is limited search. Every free SEO tool has some limitations. You will get only 2 searches in 24 hours. But you can save the images, so you don't have to search again. What are my thoughts? Look, friendly talking. In the initial stage, use the free version, search 2 times, save the images of your search. It will really help you. After using this tool for a few days, analyze your site and earning, if in case of growth or if you like the tool because there is a chance of growth in your business, you then buy a monthly plan which costs you $99. After a month, check your website and earning, and decide whether you need this tool in the future or may switch to other tools. If you want to use this tool for more, buy an annual plan. No need to buy enterprise at the initial level, go for an enterprise plan when needed. So that is for today. Hope you liked the video. Share the video with your friends and loved ones. Comment down your views about this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have any query, ask me in the comment section. See you in the next part of this series. Goodbye, take care.